How to save Instagram live video. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will lead you to settings. In settings, simply scroll down and click on archiving and downloading. After you click on it, make sure Save Live to Archive is turned on. After you do that, go back in Settings, scroll upwards and you'll find Archive. Click on Archive. After you go live, your live will be saved in Archive. Now at the top, click on the arrow. After you click on the arrow at the top, click on Live Archive at the bottom. After you click on it, you'll find all your live archives. You can simply click on it and save it to your device, as it will be only archived for 30 days in here. This is how to save Instagram live video. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.